Right, team? Many times we got this question. How do you fix the import issues in AP application, or how to correct the import issues? And simple, go to payables invoices, go to correct import errors spreadsheet. You can download the spreadsheet with your credentials. After go live, client will do this activity and as a period end activity, as a month end activity. So here in our BU level, we don't have the any pending data to be corrected. There is no data, right? Real time, if there is any data, you can see here invoice header, row status, all information is there. You can fix it, then you can submit it directly, right? Or you want to delete any lines, you can delete, mark it, delete it also. You don't like to like keep that data, can delete.